If you're looking to buy a boat today, one of the big decisions that you're going to have to make is what is the hull made from. Plastic boats divide opinion, but there are many reasons why our customers have been buying polyethylene plastic hulls from us over the last 40 years, and here are some of the reasons why. What people mean by a plastic boat. Now, this video is a little bit tongue-in-cheek for the industry, because if you are in this world of roto-molded polyethylene hulls, which is what a plastic boat is, they do not like you calling it plastic, but I'm just trying to educate our viewers that a rotationally molded polyethylene boat is a form of plastic. They're single-piece constructions. They go into a giant oven. You pack the plastic material into the mold. It rotates and it kind of bakes like a cake. It comes out like a new boat ready to go. One of the huge advantages of having a plastic boat is the fact that they're incredibly durable. So polyethylene hulls can withstand shocks and impacts. So if you're a commercial customer and you need to go in and out of rough waters, or you're new to boating and you're concerned about the durability of the material, launching and recovering the boat, which if you're used to boating, you know that's probably a pinch point for getting the boat in and out of the water safely. You don't have to worry about anything to do with that with a polyethylene hull, because it's such a strong material. It can withstand grazing, running up onto a beach, hitting a rock, and the material is easy to repair as well. So it just gives you peace of mind whilst out on the water. That's why they're popular for hire fleets, commercial, training, and families. One of the biggest reasons that people choose a polyethylene hull is the low maintenance. There's no gel coat repairs because you can absorb scratches and impacts. The boats don't rot, so you're not going to get osmosis penetrating through there. Pioneer boats are actually self-draining as well, so if the boat's left in a mooring, you don't need to worry about bilge pumps or anything like that. So you spend more time using the boat and less time worrying about it. The third reason why customers choose plastic boats is longevity and lifespan. It's actually a problem we have here at Caley Marina, that the boats are so well made that they do last 20, 30, we've got even some original 40-year boats out there in our customer base. The boats are packed with UV stabilizers now, so they keep their colour a lot better than they used to. They deteriorate gradually, so over time you might see a little bit of degradation, but they're not going to have a sudden crack and not be able to use it. You've got time to plan for that. And the beauty of the lifespan, and Pioneer actually made a funny video in Norway about this, is right at the end of the plastic Pioneer life, the boat can be fully recycled. So it's a really environmentally friendly way to boat.
Hello, James Hogan here from Caley Marina, bringing you the best tips and tools to help build the right Pioneer boat for you. On this channel we do Pioneer boat reviews and engine reviews, so you should consider subscribing. If there's a video you'd like to see from us in the future, please feel free to comment below.
Reason number 4 is stability and safety. Roto-molded boats, certainly the ones that Pioneer make, are quite beamy compared to maybe fiberglass boats, so they feel a lot more stable at low speeds and when you step onto the boat. This makes them perfect for families and for anybody really that wants to use the boat commercially too, because you've got that solid feel the moment you step onto it from the pontoon, and then when you're handling it low and at high speeds. Pioneer go one step further. They don't just stick to the European standards or UK standards, as they say now. They also get a D&V certification just to show that their boats are grades above what is the minimum standard. The final reason I'm going to discuss in this video is the weight and practicality. So polyethylene boats tend to be heavier than fiberglass or even aluminium counterparts, but that has an advantage in the stability, as I've already mentioned. A heavier boat just feels that bit more stable in the water, so that's what I find when I've been comparing the two. But practically, although they're heavier, they still are compatible with most trailers. So you want a boat package up to 17 foot, which you can trailer around, because that makes it easy to use it in multiple locations and cheaper to store over long term. So that's an advantage, that although it's heavier, they're still light enough to be used on trailers. And the practical side, as I've sort of mentioned a few times in this video, they're so strong, the polyethylene hulls, they can withstand impact shocks. So it really is easy boating, and especially when you're launching and recovering that boat. What plastic boats are not good for? So a bit of balance. Polyethylene boats are not the be-all and end-all for every boating answer in the world. I wish it was, but there are some limitations. One of the big limitations is the fact that the largest single-piece roto-molded boat that you can buy right now is 17 foot. That's restrictions on. Pioneer have got effectively the biggest roto-molded oven in the world, so you can't physically make any boats bigger. There may be engineering differences in the future to maybe bring that up to 18, 19, 20 foot, who knows, but at the moment 17 foot is your limit. So when it comes to selecting your boat, it's just important to select the right tool for the job. If you need a boat bigger than 17 foot, then polyethylene is unlikely to be your answer. So who are plastic boats best suited for? Families, first-time boaters, commercial operators, basically anybody that wants to make boating simple. Restrictions, as I said, you can only go up to 17 foot. So anybody looking for a sort of smaller boat, 17 foot or below, but they fit a wide range of needs, and we see that every day when we're serving our customers. My family business, Caley Marina, has been importing Pioneer boats, so polyethylene boats, for 40 years. An ideal day in, day out with various different customers up and down the country. And it amazes me the different shapes and sizes that I see them in. You see them on the telly from time to time, different harbours about the place. It really is a good product, and it works really well for many different customers. So that's why we've got such confidence in recommending a Pioneer hull when speaking to our customers. And these customers turn into long-term customers for decades. So it's kind of that nice reminder that the product that we have is really good. So if you're considering buying a plastic boat, then feel free to reach out or watch some of our other videos on the channel. We've done plenty of reviews now on most of the Pioneer range. And if you have any questions, drop us a comment below. If there's any videos you want to see from me, then feel free to get in touch and we'll do what we can.